How to delete photos from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to delete photos from Facebook, first of all launch a Facebook application on your device. As you launch the Facebook application, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile over here, and as you do that, scroll down, and here you can see different posts that you have posted over a period of time. Now if you want to delete the photo, select whichever random photo. I'm going to select on this one over here at the top, and if I have to delete it, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and then here you can see there's no option of delete photos from Facebook. So just tap on photos again and then select the picture, then tap on three dotted lines, and here you can see the option of delete photo. So just tap on delete photo and then tap on delete, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.